Hi kids, I'm Róbert Farkas from Hungary, and I'm the illustrator and also the writer of this book, Clever Fox's Tales, my first book about the universe. This story began in my childhood. I was always fascinated by the universe and the wonders of it, and I wanted to be an astronaut when I was about 6 years old, and unfortunately I'm too tall to be an astronaut. I'm almost 2 meters, so it never happened, but I'm still really interested in space and the wonders of it. So I've read this book to answer a couple of questions, like what's the Big Bang? The Big Bang is definitely originally not a web shop in Slovenia. So, or what are the galaxies? How big they are? How big is the universe itself? Or what are we made of? So the little fox in the story asks these questions, and the Papa Fox is answering in a very understandable, easy way. The illustrations are stunning. I could say that because I did them, so you will see. They are very illustrative, eye-catchy ones, so I think you will like them. There are also special interesting facts and explanations. The book has 2 parts. You will see that there are text with bigger sized typefaces, and there are little ones at the bottom. And the little ones are for the parents. If you are very tired and tired of reading this book like 10 times after each other, you will find these little sentences in the bottom, and I think they will give you some joy. Last but not least, I would like to thank to my young readers from Smartno, from Prva, for reading my books and joining me this beautiful adventure to explore the universe.